In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress PDF file using free online tool. Here is my PDF file. It's almost 250 KB. I will compress this PDF file. First of all, open a browser and then in the search box, type I love PDF and hit enter. Go to the first link. And here is lots of tool. For this tutorial, we will use compress PDF. Click on that. Select your PDF file. Here is my PDF file. Select and open it. I personally use recommended compression because it doesn't lose the quality. Then click on compress PDF. After compress PDF, click on download compress PDF. Now my PDF is 79% smaller. It was before 248 kilobyte. Now it is only 52 kilobytes. That's how you can compress your PDF document 4 and 5th time smaller before compress. My PDF file size was before compress 248 kilobytes. After compress, it's only 52 kilobytes. It's 4 and 5th time smaller than before compressed. If this tutorial is helpful, please subscribe our channel.